Hey again, let me talk in this video about the polymorphism concept. Polymorphism means you have same functions with the same name, with the same number of parameters, but with different data type. I will show you what that means in seconds. Let me define a class, name it function, polymorphism. So think about you need to display information, okay? I would name it show, okay? In show, sometimes you expect to get a credit card number. So because the credit card number, this one should be integer. So I would say card ID. This one should be integers, long integer maybe, whatever you want to name it, just could name it. And here you just print it, okay? And print the card ID. I know this one is not that good example of polymorphism, but this is the best one that's come to my mind for now. So I would say $, card ID, okay? And you have another function, name it show. And let's suppose both of them show info, okay? But this one, it wants to show you username. So we say the name of the user, and this one in this case string. See, same function name, same number of parameters, but different data type. In this case, I would say print, okay? And I say name, then you say add, whatever, names, okay? Now in the main functions, I just say function, name it main, that one will run, the first one. Now I could call just show info, okay? When I send a number for the function, let me suppose I send the string, I say Hussein, Al-Rubai, it will know I'm calling this function by the data type that I pass it, okay? When I say show info, for example, for the card ID, it also will know I'm calling this one. Sheet director, you see, same name, but here you give me the input parameter card ID. Here to give me the input parameter is the name. It's really nice editor with Kotlin. Like they make the debugging so easy for you. Before, like you don't see these things. You just say, okay, show info. Who is the show info? Which one I'm calling? It's really easy. I say, hey, show info. You're calling the one have a parameter name. Which one has a name? This one. Show info. You're calling the one has a parameter card ID. Which one a card ID? This one. Now think about you have some banking things you need to do with the card ID. For example, check if the card is valid. For example, check card if you need to check if the card is valid, or something like that. Or for example, here you want to check if user is active or have enough balance, whatever. So in some case, sometimes any type of function, I just send information. It do different process. So see, for example, this one checking the valid card, then print the card. This one is checking if the user active and print the user. So same name, different data type, but sometimes I need to use this one. The last example that I had it for polymorphism, I need to write a functions, and this function is supposed to convert that function that I have to write it should be convert text to XML. So not all the data that come to me is a text. Some of them came as a node. So I defined two functions. One of them is could receive a text and could convert text to XML. Another one with the same name but receive a node and it could convert the node to XML. That was the last one I had as experience in my work experience in my work. Yep. So yeah, here we done. Thank you for watching and see you next.